Good. Do it again. Try to keep your shoulder a little bit lower though.
Okay.
Right?
Which shoulder? This one?
Let's do. You know what? Let's do this. Because look, see how his neck is here.
Yes.
And your shoulder's up here.
Yes.
Why don't you sit up on your knees for us, Greg?
Like this?
Yeah. So we're just gonna make Greg a little bit taller.
Okay.
Yeah. There you go. There you go.
Okay.
And you want to sink down. You want to get your shoulder, yeah, right in line with his neck. Yeah. Nice.
Chest in.
And pull everything back. Shoulders back. Cool.
Cool.